What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another video. Now, oh man, you gotta be kidding me. Come here and check this out. Come here and check this out. This is crazy. This right here, guys. This right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. That was not there before, guys. Man, they'll get you every time. So that really sucks, guys. Clear up all your cars, that's all I can say. Because I have a lot of rock chips on the old DD here. A lot of rock chips, actually. So clear up all your cars, because as a car guy, you don't want those rock chips. That really sucks. On with the video. Actually, it's quite cold here in Florida. It's only like 62, so let's take this in the garage. So everybody, in this video, as you saw by the title, I want to discuss how YouTubers can afford to give away, I guess we're not going to limit it just to cars, but basically cars, very expensive cars, such as vehicle versions and Stradman, how they're giving away, Stradman's giving away a 570S that's heavily modified, vehicle versions has given away BMWs and such. How do they do it and how do they make money doing it? Well, we're going to discuss that in today's video. Let's talk about it. So first thing is first. Now, if you're fortunate enough to have enough followers, now obviously the obvious answer is going to be right away, people are going to say, well, they make a lot of money, so they just buy these cars to give them away. Simple as that. Video over. Thank you. But that's not it, guys. Obviously it is it. Obviously, with ad revenue and stuff, they make a lot of money doing these videos and they're able to afford these cars and give them away. That is obviously a perk of it, because you gotta think that if you have enough followers, and obviously this would be great if smaller channels could do this, but unfortunately small channels like me can't afford to do this just because, well, we don't have enough followers, so that sucks. But, you see, if you have enough followers, because you gotta think about this, guys. You're buying a car, that's a video. You're doing stuff to the car, that's at least 2 or 3 videos, and then on top of that, you're doing this big giveaway to not only bring hype to your channel, but you're gonna be gaining subscribers, because you have to be subscribed to the channel if you wanna win the giveaway, right? So there's a ton of different factors that go along with the giveaway. So by the end of it, most of the time, they can come out ahead on ad revenue alone, but that's not how they're actually making their money. And that's what a lot of them don't really tell you. Let's look at Stradman just for a second here. So now this is actually a very genius idea, the way he's doing it. And I wish I had the same opportunity. I wish I could do it because it's just so smart. So Stradman is giving away a McLaren 570S that is not only a stock 570S, which would be crazy enough as it is, but it's a heavily modified 570S. I'll try to find a picture of it and post it right here. So this McLaren is being given away. Now obviously it's a very expensive car and it's very expensive to mod, so he's not making it on ad revenue alone, even though I would say he's probably done, I don't know, like 8 videos with the car. So that alone has obviously given him content for his channel, which is always good because content is very hard to come up with as a YouTuber, and that is something I have found out doing YouTube now for a little over a year, just kind of part-time, posting here and there. It's very, very hard to come up with interesting content to engage your subscribers. So obviously giving away McLaren, that's really never been done before, giving away a supercar like that. Yeah, sure, cheaper cars have been given away, but a supercar is on a whole nother level. So how is he making money? Well, obviously, if you guys do follow him, the way he's doing it is if you want to enter in the giveaway, it's not about being a subscriber, liking the video, sharing the video, commenting on it. It's nothing to do with that. You actually have to buy merchandise from his website. Now, I don't know if it's his website. I'm pretty sure there's a third party that's doing this with him to help him do all this, and is probably getting part of the proceeds that are going along with it. But either way, he's kind of being the face of this giveaway because he has so many followers and he is so popular. And I personally do like his channel. He's got good content. So you have to buy a t-shirt from this website. Now they have t-shirts, hats, all the kind of merchandise you would ever want to buy. Speaking of merch, Skyline Dude shirts are available. Merch, link in the description below. Yeah, shameless plug. So if you have to buy merchandise from this store, you look at the purchase price of the car, and not only that, but obviously all the mod money that he has put into it. But has he really put that much mod money into it? Being such a big YouTuber, a lot of times you can get sponsorship deals where people give you parts for free or at a discounted rate. And I'm sure the shop he's working with has probably managed to source those parts for probably little to nothing. And he's already made ad revenue on that. So probably I'm just gonna call all the parts just a wash, because I'm sure at this point they were probably free or at least paid for. So you look at the amount of people that are going to be a part of this giveaway and basically how much money he needs to recoup to obviously pay for the car, but also make a profit on top of that, minus just ad revenue and stuff like that. Well, it's a pretty just genius idea, guys. You get people to buy merchandise. So in the end, people are buying something. Even if they don't win the car, they're still left with something. So it's not like buying raffle tickets where you're buying, a bunch of raffle tickets, and when you don't win, you're left with raffle tickets that are useless. You actually get a cool shirt or a cool hat. So that entices people to want to enter in this giveaway, because they're like, what do I really have to lose? I'm buying a $25 t-shirt. Yeah, it's a little bit of an expensive t-shirt, but I'm entering in a giveaway to win the supercar of basically my dreams, right? So with that kind of aspect behind it, there's so many people that are filing in. It really doesn't take that many people compared to, I think it's got like 1.2 million, 1.3 million subscribers. Even if you take just a fraction of that, say you take 100,000 people, because his videos get at least, 200,000 to 400,000 views a video. So you take 100,000 people and you add $25, well, let's do the math. So based on my super math skills, let's do this together here. Say, forget the 100,000 people. Let's go with 10,000 people. Very easily achievable. I'm sure he got that in like the first week, I'm guessing. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's do, 10,000 times $25 an item, $250,000, which, well, that covers pretty much the price of the McLaren. So as you can see, and that's only with 10,000 people, and when you have, a million followers, or at least, 200,000 to 300,000 people who watch your videos every day, promoting this thing, he's just making bank on this, and that's why it's such a smart idea. He got to buy an awesome car, use it for content, drive it around for like 2 months, do some awesome stuff with it, and then just give it away and make a ton of money. Man. I'm definitely in the wrong business, guys. So that's pretty much it. That's how it works. That's how he's doing it. I'm sure there's some other stuff behind the scenes. He's obviously not getting all of that money. I'm sure, obviously they have to pay for the car. And then you have obviously the cost of the merchandise and that. But with our little sample of 10,000, that's really not that much. So you have to scale that up depending on how much he's selling. It's a lot of money. I'm sure there's a third party. I'm sure there's many people involved, so it's not just as simple as that. But I'm trying to limit this video to at least maybe 8 minutes. I have no idea how long I've been talking. Probably longer than 8 minutes. Sorry. But yeah, so in a nutshell, that's how it works. I wish I could do that. That would be awesome, but we can't. So I think I'm going to wrap up the video here. If you guys are new to the channel, we got the Subaru and we got the Skyline. That's kind of what my channel is based around. So if you guys are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button for more content. Thank you guys for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. Hit that like button if you enjoyed it. And that's going to do it for now. We will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.